everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to install the Bumble dating application on your smartphone. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, if you are on iOS, then open your iOS store. And if you are on Android, then open your Google Play Store. Once you open it up, you will see a search bar on the top of the screen. Go ahead and type Bumble. Once you find the app, tap on the install button. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installation is finished, tap on open. Now you can either create your account or log into your existing account, or you can also continue with Facebook or use your mobile number. That is how you can easily download your Bumble application on your smartphone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your feedback and questions. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.